To activate your Tesco Mobile SIM, you'll need a compatible phone, internet access, and your SIM card. If you're new to Tesco Mobile, create an online ID using your Tesco Club Card number or through the Tesco Mobile app. This verifies your identity and is crucial for activation. If you're keeping your existing number, get a PAC, porting authorization code, from your current provider. Once you have these, insert the SIM card into your phone. Connect to the internet. Visit the Tesco Mobile website or use the app. Follow the on-screen instructions, entering your online ID and PAC when prompted. Activation usually takes a few minutes. If you're activating an eSIM, the process is entirely digital, done through the app. No physical SIM needed. Having trouble activating? Double-check your online ID details and PAC code. These are common sources of errors. Make sure your phone is compatible with the Tesco Mobile network. If you're porting a number, the PAC is only valid for 30 days, so use it promptly. For eSIM activation, ensure your phone supports eSIM functionality. Note that biometric verification, like facial recognition, might be required as part of the online ID process for enhanced security. If issues persist, Tesco Mobile offers excellent customer support. Remember, activating online is generally quick and easy, but having your details handy and a stable internet connection are essential for a smooth process.